If you want how to DIY a cheap-ass self-watering system, keep watching. I overwatered my Monstera Adansonii, so I had to rescue her from an anaerobic situation by removing any soil and put her into water. After that I decided to give her a better life living in mineral substrate. Because I'm from Austria, all supplies listed may not be available outside Austria, but I'm sure that there are many options at your place. You will need a wick, a water level indicator, a PVC pipe, a cutter knife, a miter box, this is optional, a very nasty saw, a hot glue gun, a hydroponic pot, a cover pot which is obviously waterproof, some cheap-ass lacquer balls, mineral substrate. I'm using shoes upon because the Germans know how to get stuff done. After cutting a hole in the bottom of the hydroponic pot, slide the PVC pipe through. Put all together into the cover pot. The PVC pipe should stand on the ground. Mark the pipe at the top edge pot level. Cut the PVC pipe with the nasty saw. Put the pipe back into the pot, adjust the level and hot glue it into place from both sides. Cut 2 more segments from the pipe to give the hydroponic pot some support and hot glue it down. Get around 3 pieces of wick and make a knot per each. The length under the hydroponic pot should be the same, the length inside the pot may vary. This is how the roots will get water, by using capillary action. Don't forget to make a hole for the water level indicator. My water level indicator will just fit into one of the holes in the bottom. It needs to reach the base of the cover pot to report the correct water level. Find yourself some ill-shaped lacquer balls. Seal holes in the bottom of the hydro pot, using them like a plug. All done. Put some lacquer balls into the hydroponic pot. Keep the wicks upright and fill up the pot with lacquer balls until they cover the holes in the wall of the pot so you don't lose any of the precious shoots upon stuff. I had my Monstera standing in water for 24 hours. Before I put the roots into mineral substrate, I give them another rinse in the shower. Put your Monstera on the moss pole onto the PVC pipe directly on the bottom. Start filling up your pot using clean and already flushed shoots upon little by little. Add the water level indicator. Add some more shoots upon. Pull out the moss pole a tiny bit, shake the pot and repeat until you end up with a pond-padded pot and a stable moss pole. Regular watering your Monstera for a couple of weeks is mandatory. The water level indicator should only rise a bit above minimum. After roots regrowth you can switch to fill up the water reservoir to optimum level. Have fun with your cheap-ass self-watering system.